Hey, English learners! Welcome to English Learning Studio. Today, we are going to watch a simple conversation about shopping at a supermarket. In this video, you will follow a natural story between two friends as they plan, shop, and return home with groceries. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Today's question: what item do Alex and Zara decide not to buy because of budget? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Zara, I was looking in the kitchen just now and I think we are running out of a lot of things.
Really? I thought we still had some groceries left. What exactly is missing?
Well, there is no milk, no eggs, and even the bread is almost finished. I also checked the fridge and it looks pretty empty.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize it was that bad. I guess we have been eating out a lot these days.
Yeah, that's probably why. But we can't keep doing that. It's expensive and not very healthy.
You're right. We should cook at home more often. It's better for our health and also saves money.
Exactly. So I think we should go to the supermarket today and buy everything we need.
That sounds like a good plan. Let's check properly and make a list so we don't forget anything. Okay, let's sit down and make a proper list. If we don't write it, we will definitely forget something important.
Yeah, that always happens. We go to the store and then realize later that we missed something.
Exactly. So let's start with the basics. We need milk, eggs, bread. What else?
We also need rice. I checked the container and it's almost empty.
Oh yes, rice is important. What about vegetables?
We should buy some fresh vegetables, maybe tomatoes, onions, and potatoes.
That's good. We can also buy some green vegetables, like spinach or broccoli.
Yeah, that would be healthy.
What about snacks? Do you want to buy something for the evening?
Maybe a little, but we should not spend too much on snacks.
I agree. You always say that, but then you buy a lot.
Hey, not this time. I will try to control myself. By the way, we should also think about our budget. We shouldn't spend too much money today.
Yes, that's very important. How much are you planning to spend?
Good idea. We should follow the list and not get distracted.
I agree. If we buy too many unnecessary things, the bill will get very high.
Exactly. Let's try to stay within our budget and avoid impulse buying.
Good idea. We should follow the list and not get distracted. Okay, I think the list is ready. Now we should get ready to go.
Yeah, let's not waste time.
Wait, do we have reusable bags?
Good question. Let me check.
We should take them. It's better than using plastic bags.
Yes, I found 2 bags. That should be enough. I hope the supermarket is not too crowded today.
Yeah, I don't like it when it's too crowded. It becomes difficult to move around.
True. Also, it takes more time to shop.
Let's try to finish quickly but carefully.
Yes, we should check the quality of everything before buying. Wow, this place looks really big today.
That's funny. It's always big. You just don't notice it.
Yeah, maybe you're right. But today it feels more crowded than usual.
Yeah, there are quite a lot of people. Maybe because it's the weekend.
That makes sense. People usually do their shopping on weekends.
Okay, let's not waste time. Where should we go first?
I think we should start with vegetables. Fresh items first, then packaged things later.
Good idea. That way we won't forget the important stuff. These tomatoes look fresh.
Yeah, but some of them are a bit soft.
You're right. We should pick the firm ones.
Like this one? It feels better.
Yes, that one looks good.
What about potatoes?
We should take a few, not too many.
Yeah, otherwise they might go bad.
Do you want broccoli?
I'm not a big fan, honestly.
I know, but it's healthy.
All right, let's take one. I will try to eat it this time.
Good decision.
Oh, snack section.
I knew this would happen.
Come on, just a quick look.
A quick look always becomes a long time.
This looks really good.
Alex, remember the budget.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, maybe we can take 1 or 2 items, but not too many.
Deal. What about these biscuits?
They look nice, but are they healthy?
Probably not.
Then maybe we should skip them.
All right. No biscuits today. Excuse me, can you help me? Of course. What are you looking for? I'm trying to find cooking oil. I'm not sure where it is. It's in aisle number 5 on the right side. Oh, I see. Thank you. You're welcome, sir. Enjoy your shopping.
Alex, I think we already have a lot of items.
Yeah, it looks quite full.
I'm a little worried about the total price.
You're right. Maybe we should remove a few things.
Do we really need these snacks?
I guess we don't.
Good. That saves some money.
Okay, I think we are ready to check out.
Yes, let's go to the counter.
Hello? Do you have a membership card?
No, I don't.
That's fine. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, mostly everything.
Your total is $150.
That's a bit higher than I expected. Anyways, no problem.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card.
All right. Please insert your card.
Okay, just a second. The payment is done.
Yes, the payment is successful. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Please come again our shop.
Yeah, sure, we will. Wow, these bags are heavier than I thought.
That's because you bought a lot.
Hey, we bought what we needed.
Yes, I'm just joking.
Honestly, I feel good. It's been a while since we did proper grocery shopping.
Yeah, it actually feels productive.
Exactly. And now we can cook at home again.
That's the best part.
Which part did you like most?
I think choosing fresh vegetables. It felt nice and healthy.
Yeah, and also making decisions together.
Teamwork.
Exactly.
Okay, let's unpack everything.
Yeah, I want to see what we bought.
Milk, eggs, vegetables.
Everything looks good.
See? We made a good list.
Yes, that really helped. Otherwise, we would forget something for sure.
And look, you even bought broccoli.
Yeah, I'm trying to be healthy.
I'm proud of you.
Let's see if I actually eat it. Today was a good day.
Yeah, it was simple, but nice.
We planned well, stayed within budget, and bought useful things.
Exactly. And we didn't waste money on unnecessary items.
That's a big achievement.
Yes, especially for you.
Hey, I'm improving.
Next time, we can plan even better.
Yes, maybe try a new recipe too.
That sounds exciting.
All right, now let's rest. How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question one more time. What item do Alex and Zara decide not to buy because of budget? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comment section. By practicing English like this, you can improve your speaking and thinking skills more effectively. On this channel, I share simple and easy English stories to help beginners learn natural conversations step by step. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.